Writing and communication are the lifeblood of any workplace. Yet, in our fast-paced world dominated by emails and instant messages, the art of clear and impactful writing is fading. It's easy to overlook the power of well-crafted words when we're rushing to hit send on a quick message. But let's take a moment to reflect on how effective communication can transform our work environment. Imagine a team where everyone is on the same page, where ideas flow seamlessly and misunderstandings are a thing of the past. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that can be achieved through strong writing skills. That's where the collaborative business writing program on Edunyx LMS comes in. This self-paced training is designed to equip teams with the essential skills needed for effective collaboration and high-quality document production. Throughout this program, we dive into practical writing approaches that can be applied immediately. You'll learn how to structure your messages for clarity, ensuring that your points are not just heard but understood. We'll explore collaboration strategies that foster teamwork, allowing diverse voices to contribute to a unified message. Conflict is inevitable in any workplace, but how we handle it can make all the difference. The program covers various conflict resolution styles, helping you navigate challenging conversations with confidence and poise. You'll discover how to address issues constructively, turning potential conflicts into opportunities for growth. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also look at how to apply these skills across different document types, from reports and proposals to emails and presentations. Each format has its nuances, and mastering them can elevate your communication to a professional level. The benefits of this course extend beyond individual improvement. Enhanced communication leads to better teamwork, increased productivity, and a more positive workplace culture. When everyone can express their ideas clearly and collaborate effectively, the entire organization thrives. Investing in your writing and communication skills is investing in your team's success. So, if you're ready to elevate your workplace communication and foster a culture of collaboration, the Collaborative Business Writing Program is your next step. Let's bring back the art of impactful writing and transform the way we connect with one another in the workplace.